Good morning, guys. Today we have a small carpet clean. It's just 2 bedrooms in a little apartment. Then after that, I gotta go pick up the scrubber that we dropped off yesterday, and hopefully it's all fixed. I also have a small carpet repair estimate. I mean, estimates don't really take too long. They take about 10-15 minutes the most. But I'll keep you guys updated. I am in the van right now, in the Diablo. And we'll see you soon. We'll go pump some gas. Pump number 3. Look. What's up, man? Alright, thank you. The best. We actually had to come to a whole different gas station because the other one was way too packed.
So we came to Circle K. Gonna pump some diesel.
There's the diesel tank. He almost empty this time. It's a nice day today. We have about 3 jobs for the day, something light, and then at night we gotta clean Golden Corral. Again, the one over here in Thornton, not the one in Colorado Springs, so it's a lot easier and shorter over here. $13. Not bad. So we have arrived. It's a small apartment complex. Little hard to park over here. Had to park on the main street, which I might probably have to move over there in front of that stop sign to even be able to reach. See, the owner came and opened the door. We're about to get started, so I'm actually gonna throw everything down that window. It's a lot easier. Easy access right here. So here we have the first room. Not bad at all. Like I said, come out through the window, so it's a lot closer to the van. The van's right there. We're about to get started. All the way up there. Hopefully nobody trips and tries to sue me. Okay guys, we are all done with the clean. Here's the after. Not hard at all. Smells really good. And it looks even better. For this clean, I didn't really charge too much. I only charged $125 because it was a small room. It was pretty hard to get up here. But you know, we don't care about money. We just care about our clients. We care about our clients being satisfied and that they get the best prices in town. Like I said, we don't care about money. Money will come once we're established like a really good company, and that's when all the money's gonna start coming and it's gonna be good, you know, it's gonna be good. Well guys, I'm gonna head outside now. Alright guys, I just got done with the cleans. Came and dropped off the van, and I picked up my pickup truck. Now, we're gonna go do an estimate, and hopefully they call us for the scrubber. Because I'm already kind of this way over here, you know? Around me. And then later on tonight, around 7 o'clock, I'll be coming back to pick up the van and going to do a carpet clean over there at Golden Corral.